Hey everybody, Jesse here. My assistant, Koa. I think you've met him before. Koa, say hi. Say hi, Koa. Look, say hi. No, look right there. Alright, so we are doing the unboxing of my La Prima Asetek Wheelbase. So Koa's going to be my assistant here. My guy's trying to get over here, but there's not enough room. The boxes are blocking him, so he's panicked. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the unboxing of the La Prima Wheelbase. Alright, this thing is actually pretty heavy. I think it's something like, I want to say it was like 20 something pounds or something. It's solid. Let's figure out how to get in here. Gotta be smarter than the box, guys. Alright. Looks like we got mounting screws here. Instructions, warranty, power cord. I think that's the to attach the wheel. Stuff to keep it dry. More power cords. Bunch of power cords. It's like 3 power cords. Holy hell, a lot of power cords. Actually, there's 4 power cords. Alright. I'll have to figure out what that's all for. Alright, here it is, guys. There it is. The La Prima Asetek Wheelbase. I am so excited. So this is 12 Newton meters. You can get it upgraded. There's an upgrade kit that will actually get it up to 16 Newton meters. I've heard that it helps improve the slew rate. So that is an option if I want to do it down the road. But going from 5 Newton meters to 12 Newton meters is going to be a massive change for me. So I'm pretty excited about it. So once again, guys, this is the La Prima Wheelbase by Asetek. Oh, it's solid. This thing is very solid, guys. It's actually got a lot of weight to it. Oh, that's the T-nuts right there, or the nuts. That's what you hear sliding around. Alright guys, so there it is. So we're going to get this mounted on probably tomorrow, and I'll start playing around and start learning it. Pretty freaking excited. Cannot lie. Once again, this would not be happening without the support of all of you. Without the support of channel members, everyone that has provided super chats, watches my live streams, watches my videos, supports the channel. This would not be happening without you. So thank you guys so much for all of your support. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, I am super excited. So keep an eye out. We'll have more unboxing videos. And I did not get... There we go. Try to get it all the way in the frame. So once again, thank you everybody for your support. You're absolutely amazing. I am so freaking excited to actually have a nice wheelbase. You have no idea. This is going to be a massive upgrade for me, for the channel, and I cannot appreciate it enough. Without you guys' support, this would not be happening. I am so eternally grateful for the amount of support that I have from everybody. You guys are... It's truly a blessing. it's truly a blessing. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. And look forward to continuing to grow the channel more and see where this goes. Thank you guys. You're amazing.